Thank you, Honourable Speaker. I'll try and be very brief. Basically, Honourable Speaker, the Cooperative Development Fund is a new initiative from the Ministry of Trade, specifically trying to target assistance to cooperatives particularly, and try and ensure that there's a specific focus given to cooperatives. The CDF works within the guidelines. Basically, essentially involves the maximum grant that can be, or funding that can be provided, is up to 100,000 for businesses that are, or cooperatives that are less than 3 years. The funding is limited to 20,000, and of course the cooperatives, particularly the established cooperatives, must show the normal compliance that's required in terms of tax compliance and other requirements, and of course required to provide financial statements. For newer cooperatives, the requirements are not as onerous, but obviously the threshold of funding dictates what's available to them. We are just about to advertise the grants online through the papers. We've already advertised on all the other MSME grants, and that's already available. And for those of you that are listening in today, please ensure that you apply. And of course, as usual, the applications will go through the normal screening process. And generally it involves an assessment committee that is chaired by the Permanent Secretary for Trade. That is after the initial screening process. One of the interesting things that's come out of this grant is the ministry, through the IT departments, trying to develop a software that can be used to just process grants a lot faster. And should that be successful, we will roll it out with the other grant programs as well. Thank you, sir.